How to get services in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out and get different services. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now here we in this interface. Here on the right bottom, simply tap on the shop icon and here you'll be able to see different options that are available. Here there are different services like makeup services, waxing services and different events that you can join on. There are different communities and different people that are joining together. So simply tap on the one that you want to join or know about. Here, this next page shows you different things about what's happening and it even shows the cost that it covers. So you can customize and reserve it accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.